My name is Brad Hall, and today's show, it is as big as it's ever been. I've got the Michael Air Jordan 1 SB Lakers colorway. I'm going to be showing you how this shoe looks after 24 hours of wear. Now, if you don't know about this shoe, it's a very interesting concept. Basically, the color on the outside, it is going to wear away the more you wear it. Underneath that purple, you've got red. Underneath that yellow, you've got black. So it goes from a Lakers colorway to a Chicago Bulls colorway. The more time you spend in these, the more you get a custom one-of-one shoe. So I was really excited to start wearing this shoe, making my mark on it. I decided to wear it for a full day, 24 hours. I didn't want to do anything out of the ordinary. I wasn't going to go skateboarding in them. I just wanted to wear them like I would normally wear a pair of shoes. I walked up and down stairs, sat around for a bit, even watched some pretty good videos on YouTube. Those activities, they are not a difference maker in wearing off that paint. And I didn't want to stop there. I wanted to really push it for you. And so that's exactly what I did. I logged a lot of miles onto these, over 7 in that 24-hour stretch. That is a lot of walking. I also walked on a variety of surfaces for you. I went to a Whole Foods, a Trader Joe's, and a Jewel Osco. So a really nice array of surfaces. Now I'm excited to show you these shoes right now. I've got them right here with me. Now as you can see, they do look good. I didn't beat them up too badly. It's whiskering in some spots. You'll also notice most of the paint is in place, but I've got good news. Even just after 24 hours, you do start to see some of that purple and that yellow giving way to the Chicago colors. On my right shoe, you've got a little bit of black peeking through right around that collar area, so that's very exciting. And then on that left shoe, this is what I found. I found a nice little thread of red peeking through. They're just looking better already. You can see the transformation taking place, but probably the most exciting thing that I found, I am getting a lot of wear on these insoles. That Nike SB logo, it is just wearing off, and that is very cool. So I'm gonna keep wearing these, keep you updated on my progress, let you know how this paint starts to wear away, and I'll definitely keep you up to date on these insoles.